Hey y'all, I'm back. We're working in the textbook Adobe InDesign Revealed Creative Cloud by Chris Botello, and we're in chapter 6, which focuses on graphics, placing graphics and links. We are going to open up InDesign 6-2. And then when it says ask you this question, this dialog contains 18 links. You can find or relink the missing ones used on the link panel. We do not want to update those links, although it looked like it may have. Anyway, because we weren't given the choice on this one, which is kind of funny. I'm going to try that again. I'm going to do a file and open. And we're going to click on 6-2. Do a command 0 to open. All right, so there we go. We're going to go to the links panel, and you'll see that all of the links panel reflect links that have a big question mark by them. And if you scroll over that question mark, it's going to say missing, double click to relink, but don't do that yet. So we're going to review the list of placed graphics. All of the placed files in the document except 2 are located in the photography folder. We'll take a look at that, although I'm not really sure that I believe. Let's see where it says this. See, this indicates that it's still, yep, the photography. You'll see that each one of these, once you highlight them, the name of the image shows up in the link information, and then it tells you what format it is, the page number it's on in your layout, the color space, the status is missing, and it will say where I go to find it, which would be to the data files for testing, chapter 6 photography file, and so on and so forth. So that's how you can find the links. Now we're going to click the Woman in Window.tif link on the links panel. As shown in figure 18 or mine on the screen, the window refreshes to show the Woman in the Window graphic. Let's see. Which is automatically selected. Note that the graphic, not the frame, is selected. I'll see if I can scroll over there. Again, remember my double click is not working as it should be, so I'm not 100% sure that anything is selected here. Now I know that it is. So we are going to click the Update Link button. So at the very bottom of the links panel, you'll see either relink, go to link, update link. Since the update link is not allowing us, it's not giving us that option, I would go back here to relink. And then we are going to go to where our files are located. We're looking for Woman in Window, and occasionally I have to look for so long and hard that I forget which one that I'm looking for. You can be reminded of what your link it is that you're trying to or attempting to find up here in your status window or your file folder, whatever you call that thing. And now we're going to look for Woman in Window, and there she is, and we're going to click Open. And it says it searched this relink directory and found and relinked 4 missing links, and I'm going to click OK. So you'll see that there are still some in there that are not relinked. So if necessary, and I'm on page 6-18, if necessary, you're going to select any other graphic file that shows the modified icon, then click Update Link. So again, we're going to go up here to David. And we are going to go down here to see if we have the ability to update. We don't, so we are going to double click on this. Just a moment, let me make sure I've got this. We're going to go to the relink button simply because it's not going to allow us to do it otherwise. So we're going to go here to relink. And we are going looking again, remember, for David. It's not in this file. So we're going to scroll down here and see if we can find David in one of these other files. And here he is. So we're going to click open. And that took care of a couple of more links, 9 of them to be exact. And so what the software does is it not only relinks the one that we have asked to relink, but it also looks in that same file folder to see if they can find and relink others as well. So we are going to go to Manarola, and hopefully Duomo will both be in the same one, but not. If not, we're going to go here. We're going to go to page 5. And then we're going to go here to relink. And again, it's Manarola that we're looking for. Not in this folder, so let's go and look at the other folders. Here we are. It is in part F. I'm going to open that. Unfortunately, it didn't also find Hat and Tiff, so we are going to relink those. And I'm still looking for the one, but it'll take just a moment. I'm sure it's here someplace, hat.tiff. May have to open a couple of these other folders. Let's see if it's in the moved files, which it is. So we are going to open that one. And Duomo is there as well, so it should also pick up that one. Relinked one missing file. And there you go. All of the files are relinked. Navigate to the moved files folder. We already did that. Click OK. And you'll see that all of our missing links have been relinked. So we're going to do a Command or Control S to save this. And we are going to save this as 6-2. I'm just going to put my name at the tail end of it because I didn't see a name that we were supposed to save it as. And click Save. All right, now we're moving on to another exercise. I'm going to upload this and I'll be back in just a moment to work on changing the resolution of a placed graphic.